Beneath the ocean surface exists a society shaped by sound. Here, dolphins recognize one another not by sight, but by name, using vocal signatures to identify individuals across vast distances. Dolphins, particularly bottlenose dolphins, Tursiops truncatus, are among the most intensively studied marine mammals. Over decades of research, scientists have discovered that their communication system includes a feature once believed to be uniquely human, the use of individual names. This discovery centers on what researchers call signature whistles. Each dolphin develops a distinctive whistle during its first year of life. This whistle is not inherited genetically, but learned through vocal experimentation and social feedback. Once formed, the signature whistle remains stable for many years, often for the dolphin's entire lifespan. Acoustically, signature whistles are defined by their unique frequency modulation pattern rather than pitch or volume. Even when dolphins are raised in close proximity, including siblings or members of the same pod, their whistles remain individually distinct. This allows reliable identification in environments where visibility is limited and sound travels far more efficiently than light. Crucially, dolphins do not only produce their own signature whistles. They also recognize and reproduce the signature whistles of others. Playback experiments have shown that when dolphins hear a recording of their own whistle, they respond quickly and consistently, while unfamiliar whistles elicit little reaction. When researchers play the signature whistle of a close associate, dolphins often reply with that same whistle, effectively calling the other individual by name. This behavior provides strong evidence that signature whistles function as referential signals, not merely expressions of emotional state. In other words, the sound refers to a specific individual, independent of the caller. Such referential communication is rare in non-human animals. The neurological basis for this ability lies in the dolphin's highly developed brain. An adult bottlenose dolphin brain weighs approximately 1.6 kilograms, slightly more than the average human brain. Dolphins have an encephalization quotient, EQ, of around 4.5 to 5.0, second only to humans among animals. This measure reflects brain size relative to body mass and correlates with cognitive complexity. Dolphin brains contain an estimated 5 to 6 billion neurons, with especially dense neural organization in regions associated with auditory processing, memory, and social cognition. Dolphins also possess spindle neurons, which are linked in humans to self-awareness, empathy, and social decision-making. Sound is central to dolphin life. In addition to whistles, dolphins use high-frequency clicks for echolocation, allowing them to perceive shape, distance, and internal structure of objects underwater. Signature whistles operate in a different acoustic range and are primarily used for social purposes, such as maintaining contact during movement, coordinating group behavior, and reuniting after separation. Long-term studies have revealed that dolphins possess exceptional social memory. Individuals can recognize and respond appropriately to the signature whistles of former companions after separations lasting 20 years or more. This indicates not only name recognition, but the ability to associate those names with long-term social relationships. Cognitive testing further supports this interpretation. Dolphins demonstrate problem-solving abilities, imitation, symbolic understanding, and self-recognition in mirror experiments. Their overall cognitive performance is often compared to that of a human child between 2 and 4 years of age, particularly in tasks involving social awareness and learning. Importantly, dolphin societies are complex and fluid. Pods frequently change composition, alliances form and dissolve, and cooperation is essential for hunting and defense. In such an environment, the ability to identify individuals acoustically provides a significant evolutionary advantage. Taken together, these findings show that naming is not a cultural artifact exclusive to humans. In dolphins, names emerge naturally from biology, learning, and social necessity, forming the foundation of one of the most sophisticated communication systems in the animal world. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to explore more discoveries about animal intelligence, as we continue to examine how complex minds and social systems evolve in the natural world.